what could be steps? Suppose this comes as a use case to you.
Yes, for schedule 3, we have to just train the chat GPT. It is a machine learning model. So we can prepare a separate GPT for that also. We have to upload that PDF or Excel format of schedule 3, and step by step we can just train it how the information will be fixed into each column, like for the debtors, trade receivables. So how we can extract if I will upload that ledger of debtors, so what information it should take in that which column and all, like that. So step by step we have to train the chat GPT for, and by uploading trial balance or ledgers or Excel, it can provide us a very good uh, proper schedule 3 format balance sheet.
Okay. So thank you, Indrajit. Thanks for this. I'll have the next presenter, Trupti Bhattar.
A wonderful afternoon to one and all present here. I am CA Trupti Bhattar, practicing chartered accountant.
Just a moment, Trupti ji. Indrajit ji, please stop sharing. Yeah, thank you.
Shall I start, sir?
Yeah, please start, ma'am.
Yeah, so first of all, I would like to say thank you to AI committee for giving me this opportunity. And behind this use case, there is a story. So like most of us do while heading to my work, I just opened my Instagram and I was scrolling through. So I saw another CA posting a reel. It was regarding Nifty. Matlab Nifty outlook. He was just breaking down the complex stock movement like a pro. The pointers were very crisp and it actually made me stop scrolling. And honestly, I found myself thinking, how are they doing this every day? I mean, every day. As in, we are a chartered accountant, we have to deal with the clients, we have to do audit, we have to manage deadlines, and then still putting out market updates like a clockwork. It is not that simple. Initially, I thought that they may be having a team to doing this on their behalf, but then I figured out the truth. The truth was they were having a teammate, and that teammate was AI. So here, as a chartered accountant, we live and breathe numbers, and we are already reading analyst reports. It is not like that we are not at all reading reports, understanding financials, and staying updated with the market. It is like normal for us. But let's be real, analyst reports are not easy to consume. They are really dense, very dense, 20 to 30 PDF, as in pages in a PDF. It's very normal. It is full of ratios, it is full of trends, it is full of abbreviations. And for us like a professionals, it is very normal. But what about our clients? What about retail investors? What about the common man who just want to know what it all means? And that too in a simple and clear language. So that is where the gap lies, and we have the knowledge. I'm not saying that we don't have the knowledge, but we don't always communicate it. And not because we don't want to, but because we don't have time, the energy, or sometimes the right tools to convert the technical content into simple and engaging insight. And today, brand building, if I talk about brand building, it is no longer optional. It's especially for us chartered accountants. So if you want to stand out or attract opportunities or build trust, you have to show up, right? And let's be honest, if you have ever tried turning an analyst report into a short, engaging script, so it takes time. It takes a lot of time. And after a full day of professional work, it's not easy to sit and create content from scratch. So I decided to try something new, and I started using ChatGPT as a content partner to help me create visibility on Instagram. And today I want to exactly show you what exactly I am doing with the ChatGPT. Let me walk you through. So what exactly I am doing. I hope I am allowed to share the screen. Yeah. So, my screen is visible, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so here I am on money control. Let us go to equity research. from where I'm
So,
taking data.
you have to do, yeah, now it is there. Okay, continue.
Yeah. So here there are many research reports that is supporting me. Let us take this. Is it time to bottom fish for Tata Motors? You all must be aware. हमारे ट्रम्प दादा ने टाटा मोटर्स के ऊपर हॉल्ट लगा दिया है, तो उसी को हम लेके आगे बढ़ते हैं. Is it time to bottom fish Tata Motors? So this is the report, research report here, in where Indian market expectations are there. Then it is about historical price, how it actually works. There they have given scenario 1, a complete halt to the US shipment. Then there is scenario 2, North America shipment is reduced by 50%. And there is scenario 3, wherein the increase in tariff is passed on to customers. And this report is by Kanchisha. Okay. What I am doing is I am simply copying this data. Okay. From here, I'm simply copying this data. Till here, I have copied this data, and now this is my prompt. Here I have actually pasted this data. This is my prompt where I'm saying that you are sorry, I cannot show you exactly the prompt, but yeah, I have just pasted this report into my prompt. And here I have requested in the prompt itself that I want three type of report. Okay, I am copying this and I am simply pasting this to the chat GPT. Yeah. And let us see. I have requested it to give me in JSON format just for simplicity. Let us wait for a minute. Here it goes. It has started its working. Yeah, if you can see, it is headline, short description, detailed coverage, content 1, content 2, and I hopefully content 3 bhi ho gaya. Yeah, content 3 is also here. Now we are done. I am copying this data and I'm pasting it to take Word file. This is something which I have already done this. Yeah. So this is the result. This is headline. If you all can see, short description. There's detailed coverage, which I'm not reading, but yeah, we will certainly read the content. I'm so sorry, the content is in English. I don't know how many of you will be able to understand the Hindi part of it, but let us read the third part of the report, third content. I hope it is comfortable if I'm reading it in English.
Yeah, please continue.
या सो टाटा मोटर्स ने एक टफ फेस किया है अप्रैल में, जब उनकी सब्सिडरी जैगवार लैंड रोवर ने अपने यूएस शिपमेंट टेम्पररी रोक दिए. ये डिसीजन ट्रम्प एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के नए 25% टैरिफ के वजह से लिया गया, जो इंपोर्टेड कार्स पर लगाया गया है. और क्योंकि जेएलआर की 32% सेल यूएस से होती है, नॉर्थ अमेरिका यूएस से होती है, इस मूव का डायरेक्ट इंपैक्ट होगा उनकी प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी पे. Q4 में नॉर्थ अमेरिका मार्केट में जेएलआर की सेल्स 14.4% से ग्रो हुई थी, पर जब शिपमेंट हॉल्ट से शॉर्ट टर्म इंपैक्ट एक्सपेक्टेड है. टाटा मोटर्स को यूरोप और चाइना में भी डिमांड स्लगिश मिल रही है और लोकल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉम्पिटिटर्स से कॉम्पिटिशन भी बढ़ गया है. इंडियन मार्केट की बात करें तो वहां कमर्शियल व्हीकल सेगमेंट इंफ्रा ग्रोथ की वजह से अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है, लेकिन ईवी सेगमेंट FY25 में
last 2 minutes please.
या फ्लैट रहा क्योंकि कंपटीशन ज्यादा हो गया. पीवी सेगमेंट को मोमेंटम भी स्लो हो गया है, पर FY26 के लिए ओवरऑल आउटलुक इज पॉजिटिव. दिस इज माय थर्ड वन. यदि मैं सेकंड की बात करूं तो हियर उसने तीनों सिनारियो को एक्सप्लेन किया है. या दिस इज माय फर्स्ट सिनारियो, सेकंड सिनारियो एंड थर्ड सिनारियो. सो overall, I am using this chat GPT to give me script. Basically, the script which is simplifying the research report. So this is all about my my use case which I'm using. And because of this chat GPT previously, where I used to spend 2 to 3 hours in just making this script, now I have clear format every time. And the content is also in the very crisp format. I'm not saying AI writes everything for me, but certainly it starts the process, which is actually where I'm actually winning the half battle. So this is all about my use case. Thank you.
Tripti, so suppose it's a good use case like that. So who will be this is going to be used by whom? Will every individual going to create this use case?
Not
Who is
exactly.
going to be user? Customer, for example, you are selling it. Who is customer?
Customer will be the person who just want to be the face on Instagram, but they don't have knowledge from where they can, take the report, or they don't know the jargons exactly what it is saying. So they could be the best customer, I believe.
And what will be the USP of this?
USP of this would be to create your brand value. See, I'm using it for Instagram. I can similarly create it for LinkedIn as well. I can create it for any platform for that matter. And what exactly it is doing, it is just breaking out the report for me in just 2 to 3 minutes. No doubt it takes a lot of time for me to create this particular prompt, but then now I'm sure whatever it is giving, it is like how much reliable it is.
Okay, so lot of work Moneycontrol has already done. You are building on that. Would it be the best way to say it?
Yeah, I am just using that report for my Instagram script. Yeah, currently, yes, I have used that report as data and using it for this. And simultaneously, if you don't want to do this, you can go and you can take the data from the con call, as in the next, maybe if I'm allowed to go further, how to break the con call. Con calls are the one where the management is actually connecting with the common man. So from where, how to fetch the data. This would be certainly my next use case.
Okay, and how would you address the privacy concern?
Privacy concern, this all data is already available, sir. There is like
Okay.
nothing private. Yeah, nothing is private. All data is available in the open domain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Tripti.
Most welcome, sir. Thank you.
So we'll have the next presenter, that is Asmita Deshpande.
Atul sir, Asmita ji has some technical issues. She'll be joining later. We can move
Okay,
to the
so I'll
next
go to
participant,
the
sir.
next one. Yeah, yeah.